This routine is designed to give you the benefits of Tai Chi without having to learn the complexities of Tai Chi. Practice tips. Keep the spine vertical, move as slowly as possible, reach your arm from the upper part of your core, not your shoulder. Keep your weight evenly distributed over the standing leg. Begin with a vertical posture. Arms at your sides, feet facing forward. Shift your weight to your left leg while starting to raise your left arm. Then begin to raise your right arm at the same time you raise the right leg and balance on the left leg. Reach back with the right leg as you reach forward with the right arm. When the ball of your right foot contacts the ground, expand the extension from your right arm, moving from your core. Keep the pelvis tucked on the left the entire time. This is coming from your lower abs. Flex your right hip and begin reaching forward with the left arm to bring the leg forward. When the lower leg is perpendicular to the ground, begin to extend the right hip to reach your right leg down to the ground. Extend the right hip until the heel hits the ground. Continue to reach forward with the left arm. All of your weight should be centered over your left leg. Flex the right hip and begin to reach forward with the right arm to retract the right leg. When the toes pass the standing leg, begin to extend the right hip to reach back with your right leg, and at the same time, reach forward with your right arm, extending from your upper core. Repeat the sequence 3 to 4 times. Always keeping your spine vertical throughout the entire movement. Now let's travel forward. Pull your weight forward by tucking the right hip while starting to reach forward with the right arm. Do not push with your back leg. Begin to lower the left arm at the same time until the right and left arm are in the same position. Shift forward until the knee is over the ankle, perpendicular to the ground. In order to get to the single leg balance position, lift the left leg up while circling both arms forward. Now let's travel back. pull the weight back by tucking the left hip and releasing the tuck on the right. This is coming from your lower abdominal muscles. Continue to reach the left arm forward until your left heel hits the ground. Shift back onto one leg by reaching forward with the right arm and releasing the forward reach on the left arm. Both arms should form a loose circle in front of the body.